Alright guys, today here on Sham's video, Dad's Kitchen, we're going to be whipping up some taco truck burritos from Corner Asada ones. Big fat juicy beef burritos. So hold on, let me show y'all what we're working with. We got the fresh cilantro, we got the pinto bean, we got the crema. This is what y'all need. You know, some people use sour cream. You know, my kids like sour cream, but I like that Mexican crema stuff. It's like sour cream. Then we got the jalapenos to the side. We got the big fat tortilla, flour tortilla shell. 1 onion. Mozzarella cheese. Piece of blend cheese. And then we got 2 pounds of this Corner Asada that I'm about to whip up right now. So I'm gonna wash my hands, lathering up real good, hitting the wrist, y'all know the drill. This water real hot, and I'm about to throw down for y'all. Turn that light on for me, sir. Thank you. Yep, get a little more. About to get it popping up in here on these Corner Asada burrito. I make a bomb too. Oh my goodness, they juicy. Goodness, that's hot. Get some dry my hands off. Get over here. Y'all with me? Hold on. Alright. So, I'm gonna grab this pot for you, man. This pot. Fry this meat up. This Corner Asada, guys. My sister commented, Angel, you know what I mean? She want me to show you guys when I'm seasoning the food. What happened was I didn't know the camera was off, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't know the camera was off angle. So now I'm gonna make sure that you guys get everything when I'm seasoning up. Alright? So hold on. Let's go over here on this side. Right here. Right? Is that good? Let's see. Let's see what we working with. You know what? Get over here. So guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab some oil for the meat. This is some good olive oil that I fry with. Pretty good, so I'll show y'all. It's going in. It's going in. So what you want to do, you don't want too much, about that much, right? We're going to let that get hot, right? We're going to let this little olive oil get hot. You don't want too much in there because you ain't deep frying. So we're going to put all that good old Corner Asada up in there. And I'll get back to y'all when this grease start getting hot. Peace. Alright guys, so the grease is hot. I'm about to dump all the Corner Asada in. Hear that? Now what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna get my spoon out. We're gonna grab my spoon. Come over here, right? Look at all that good old Corner Asada. This pot might be too small for all this meat.
I think you forgot some.
We need all that.
Oh, shoot.
This meat was expensive.
Be careful.
I got it.
Dang.
I'm used to getting burned. So now, guys, we're coming to the voila cabinet. Get over here. Now, this is I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna rearrange my cabinet one day for y'all. I'm sorry. So Sham's on the holding the camera for me while we season this up. Y'all see that? Lorries, right? Got the lorries, right? Now, we got the garlic lorries, right? Okay. Now, see that? You got that, Angel? I'm doing that just for you, so you can see everything. All right, sis? We got the lemon pepper that all my family cook with. You know what I mean? It brings that flavor out. Just a little bit, not too much. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna dab a little taste of this paprika in, just a little bit. Not too much. Bam, bam, bam. There. Like that, right? Now, a little bit of black pepper. A little bit. See, when you go to them taco trucks, they meat be good, but what they do, they marinate it. But this meat was marinated when I bought it from the food filets, guys. See how that meat making its own juice? So, right now, this is frying up, right? We're gonna brown this up real good. So, what you wanna do, guys, get over here. What you wanna do, guys, we put this up in the refrigerator, this cheese, we need it. What you wanna do, guys, you wanna cut the onion up real quick. And what's up with all these little knives? They're in the wrong spot. There.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to cut the onion up. See, when you go to the taco truck, guys, when you go to the taco truck, they don't use onion in there. They put the fresh onion on it, on top of the meat. So we ain't gonna do it like that. We want to flavor our meat up. So we're gonna put a little onion in there, right? So while that meat's browning, I'm cutting this up for y'all can see step by step like we do. All right. We're going step by step. So, Sham.
Yeah.
They want you to film more stuff. You know, they want you to drop more videos, Sham.
I know.
Got to come through. They waiting. So now, guys, we don't want too much, you know, because you don't want to overwhelm it with onions, right? So now, that's that. Okay? Bam, like that. See how it's making its own juice? That's why you don't want to put too much oil. Just a little bit around where it can, you know, where it won't burn the meat, scorch the meat. They gave me a little fat piece up in there that ain't cut good. Oh yeah, I can smell it already. So as this browns, right, guys? As this taco meat brown, right? The corn asada, guys. Hold on. Get over here. I'm gonna start with some cilantro. What you do on this cilantro, guys, you rinse it off, right? You gotta get this, because this is what gives it that taco truck flavor, guys. I'm not bullcrapping. This is what really gives it the taco truck taste, the cilantro. All of them use it. So, you rinse this off, right? So, let me show y'all how to do cilantro. If you never done cilantro, this is what you do. You pick just the leaf off, no stems. You ever clean greens? We don't use stems on greens. No. So you pull the cilantro off the stem like you do greens. Right? So the meat's over there browning. So I want to know, comment down below if you guys ever made corn asada burritos like the taco truck. Because if you did, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me what I left out that you guys used. You see what I'm saying? Because I want to know.
My mom uses a special ingredient.
What she used?
Well, my mom goes to this Mexican place store and they use this stuff and like it's like that juice.
That juice?
You know that thick
Lime?
Orange juice?
Oh yeah.
That they use.
Yeah, but that meat's already marinated in that.
They did that too? That's what my mom does.
Yeah, it's already marinated in that. That's why I didn't do it.
Yeah.
So, you know. So guys, what you want to do?
I've seen it.
Huh?
I remember seeing them do that.
Yeah, they marinated with this. They marinated with Sunny D, guys.
No.
Mexican told me it's Sunny D Delight. That's what they use. When the meats look orange like that, it's the Sunny D Delight. You know, take it from me, Dad's Kitchen. I know, because you know why? I'm a Chef Boyardee. You feel me? So take it from me. So what you want to do, guys? Now come over here. Come over here to the meat, right? You wanna break this up finely. Break it up. These leaves that you just peeled off the stem. I should have chopped it, but I ain't doing all that. So, see that? We want a quick dinner, so. See that? Now, that's enough for just to flavor it up, right? Just to flavor it up. Let me put the rest of that in there. Now, see, this is what's gonna give it that kick, guys. It's gonna give it that taste. Look at all that juice it made. Don't it already look delicious? Don't it already look delicious, guys? That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, that Mexican orange juice is called Tampico.
Yeah, some of them use that, and then some of them use the Sunny Delight.
Same thing. Oh, or I don't know.
So. Wash my hands. And what you're gonna do, guys, we're gonna rinse the cans off. Remember, always rinse your cans off, because the supermarkets and all them stores, you already know, germs and rats and roaches and all that. So we're gonna get this. We're gonna start heating these beans up. Y'all with me? Just drop them in there. Drop them in there. Right? Right now. So. Clean as you go. Clean as you go, guys. Y'all know the drill. Right here in Dad's Kitchen. Yeah, so this meat frying up real good, guys. Meat frying up real good. Look at that. Beautiful. Getting real brown and good and delicious and juicy, right? So now the beans is on. What we gonna do, guys? We about to start these flour tortillas. Hold on for a minute. Let me grab the what y'all call this? Comment down below. Pancake maker, or bread warmer, or tortilla warmer. I don't know. You know what I mean? I never knew. So we got this high eye over here. This eye over here cooks up real quick. We got the eye over here. It cooks up real quick. You just want to heat the beans up, because the beans are fully cooked when you buy them in a can. The pinto beans, the Mexican pinto beans. So, hold on, guys. Sometimes this eye be tripping right here. So, there it is. Look at that. Ooh. Now that's flame for you. So, we got this warming up for the tortillas. Keep in mind, we got these big old, focus camera. Keep in mind, we got these big old tortillas, so they might not want a big one. So I got backup tortillas up in there for them. So as this cook, I'm gonna get back to y'all and show y'all how I'm gonna wrap these up and what I'm putting in them. And there you have it, taco truck special burrito here on Dad's Kitchen. Peace. Done, guys. Look at that. Look how bomb that looks. Y'all see that? Y'all see what I'm seeing and what I'm smelling? Beans is boiling. Beans is done. Flour tortilla on heat right here. The kids don't want a big one, so I don't know what, but they missing out, because I want mine fat and juicy, just like the taco truck. And when I wrap that thing up, I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with. Peace. Alright guys, so I'm about to wrap this burrito, show y'all how it's done. Show y'all how it's done. You want that big juicy burrito, right? You want it real nice and fat. So, you know what I mean? So here you go, you put the beans on it, right? This is how the taco truck do it. Follow me. Follow me. Y'all with me? Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Beans, right? Now, tripping. Earlier, when I went to the store, I don't know if I showed y'all, but I bought the Mexican rice, right? You want to get the Mexican rice. You don't want to try to make your own rice. This is the key too. You got to go to the Mexican store. You got to go to the Mexican store, guys, and buy their rice. Their rice is the bomb. All right? If you want that good taco truck flavor. So I'm putting some rice on there, guys. Follow me. So we're gonna go rice, right? Right? Now, we got 2 of them too, so we ain't stingy. I just don't like a lot of rice. So we got 2 of them there. So now you want the cheese, right? Right? So put that cheese on there, right? You want to use that mozzarella. You don't want to be stingy with that cheese, right? You want it real cheesy. See, what I do, I don't do this to my kids or my girls. I do it to mine. I like a little more cilantro, fresh. You want to get this creamer, right? Drop that in there too with that cheese. A little more, you know, just to spaz it up a little bit, you know what I mean? So, like that. So now, watch the miracle, guys. Watch the miracle. Watch the miracle. Keep going in. Keep going in. And there you have it. The taco truck burrito here on Dad's Kitchen. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And let me know what y'all thought about this fat, juicy burrito. Hold on. I'm going to take it here. Hold on. Come here. We're gonna show y'all something. Since y'all think I'm playing up in here. Let me show y'all what we're working with. Now, tell me that don't look bomb. Tell me that don't look right. Alright guys, I'm out of here. See y'all on the next one. Love, peace, and doses.